We got some GR Yarises, Toyota badge, GR for Toyota GR Racing. Along the side here, actually, it's got some vents there, and they're real, and it's wide body, something like that, and it's got nice rims. And if I come back, there's another one there. The owners said these are the two fastest in Australia. Got the interior, it's nice, and this one pretty much the same, and two wide bodies right there. And can't really get to the back, I'll be back with it in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back, and we got the back here, got a large spoiler on it, and got the wide body there again, Toyota, and GR there, and got the black top, white bottom, and then got the exhaust. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, and then we got some diffusers there, and that is a really nice car.